How to use ChatGPT to write an essay. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video, we are going to be discussing on how you can use this amazing AI called ChatGPT to write yourself the most amazing and upcoming essay out there. Okay, and we're going to be talking about it all in great depth and in great detail. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to fully learn all the steps and details through which we can access all of ChatGPT and use all of its features to its fullest with different types of prompts, different types of instructions, and all of that. So yeah, let's just get straight ahead into this video. Now, to start things off, first of all, what we're going to do is obviously we're going to first of all choose the niche of our essay. Like, we have to decide what kind of essay are we going to have it right, or what kind of essay is to be prompted. So let's say it's an essay on the let's say history of let's say the Cold War. So we're going to write, I have an essay on the history of Cold War. The word limit is 350. Okay. Then you can add more things. Make 3 paragraphs. Keep the tone formal and straightforward, as I will be presenting in front of, let's say, Harvard professors. Okay, let's just give that as an hint, and let's go ahead and enter. So I have an essay on the history of Cold War. The word limit is 350. Make 3 paragraphs. Keep the tone formal and straightforward, as I will be presenting in front of Harvard professors. So as you can see, first of all, it gives us the title, The Cold War, a Historical Overview. Then starts off, Cold War, spanning from 1947 to 1991, was a geopolitical and ideological standoff. Now, as you can see, it keeps going on and on. Okay, it gives us the different paragraphs, it gives us different scenarios in those paragraphs, and then finally, it also gave us a conclusion paragraph. Okay, and that's really cool. And as you can see, it keeps it really formal and it keeps it really straightforward, and that's like what I like about it, because it like doesn't beat around the bush or anything. And that's one of the best things about ChatGPT. Okay, so obviously this was a very straightforward and formal tone that we had it keep, but obviously we can switch things up a bit. So let's say you have the same topic, but you don't want it to be so formal. Maybe you're, writing this for a university assignment. So you can say, write this in a very semi-formal and humorous tone. Okay, let's add that. And there you can see a quirky trip through time. All right, folks, buckle up for a while through the history of the Cold War. Picture this: 1947 to 1991, period of intense geopolitical things and going on. And as you can see, it's like really humorous. Oh, but the fun didn't stop there, my friends. The Cold War had its own version of reality TV and all that. And as you can see, it just gives you all the different tones and all the different formalities. So you can like base it off like any type of audience. So let's say, obviously, Cold War would be a pretty difficult topic to explain to children. But let's say you're telling them about history and you want to explain it to them, but you don't know what words to use, because kids get pretty, like, they get bored pretty quickly when they listen to stuff like this. So let's add in some, prompts. So let's write this so I can present to kids of age 10. Make sure that the kids don't find it boring. Okay, let's add that. And obviously, it's going to take some time. And there you go. So, hey there, young explorers. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey throughout the history of the Cold War. We're going to go back in time to a period of time of 1947 to 1991. And as you can see, it has all those types of words that, are going to actually attract the senses of children. And it's just a pretty good thing to have. Now, obviously, this is an essay on like one topic. You could write an essay on anything, like um, write an essay on the theory of time, and let's say we're gonna have it write it in ancient, let's say Roman, ancient Roman language. And then as you can see, it's going to write the theory of time in ancient Roman language. So look at that. It starts writing all those things in ancient Roman, and it's so cool because it's really out of this world. So let's say you, again, are making an essay for some CV or something, and they require it in some different language. Or maybe you can like do this yourself, just to have a good touch. Okay, just to add a good, look into the whole world of essay writing and stuff. You could be the teacher's pet by doing some, extra work or something like that. But obviously, that totally depends on you. So you get the whole point, and yeah, that this is basically the whole gist of essay writing. And obviously, most of the essay writing depends on the types of prompts you give and the types of, information you provide it. Like the less information you provide, obviously, the more inaccurate it will be to the final product you want. But the more information you provide to ChatGPT, the more valid and the more accurate it's going to be to what you actually require in the end, like whatever your main goal is. So, yeah, pretty basic and pretty easy stuff to understand when it comes to, the whole AI tutorial bit. And as we can see, we made like 4 essays in the span of what, 5 minutes? And it's totally crazy because all these 4 essays might have taken a person like a day or two, maybe, because the information provided in them, finding that information on, Wikipedia and Google and stuff, and then actually implementing it into your essay, that could take a huge variety of time. And we don't want to waste a lot of time on that, do we? So that's why we use ChatGPT. And as you can see, ChatGPT is an amazing tool for you. You can use it right now, and I recommend it at any cost. So, yeah, that's basically about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll make more for you. But yeah, until then, that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.